so it's a pleasure being here. First of all, I will talk about the levels of organization. They exist 5 types. They are organism, population, community, ecosystem, and biome. Organism is an individual living thing. Population, group of the same species that lives in the same area. Community, group of different species living alone. Ecosystem includes all of these organisms. Biome, major regional or global community of organisms characterized by the climate conditions. So now I will talk about the methods researchers use at the field. Ecological research methods that include observation, experimentation, and modeling. Observation is the act of carefully watching something over time. Observation of population can be done by usual surveys. Direct surveys for easy to spot species employ binoculars or scopes. Indirect surveys are used for species that are difficult to track and include looking for other signs of their presence. Experiments are performed in the lab or in the field. Lab experiments are researchers more control, are not reflective of the complex interpretation. Field experiments may not help determine actual cause and effect. Modeling allows scientists to learn about organisms or ecosystems. Next topic will be biotic and abiotic factors. Every ecosystem includes both living and non-living factors. Biotic are living factors, abiotic are non-living factors. An ecosystem includes both. Biotic factors are living things such as plants, animals, fungi, bacteria. Abiotic factors are non-living things, moisture, temperature, wind, sunlight, soil. These are some examples. Now, changing one factor in an ecosystem can affect many other factors. Biodiversity, the assortment or variety of living things in an ecosystem. Rainforests have more biodiversity than other locations in the world. Yes. Alright, so now I will compare and contrast habitat and niche. These are the simplest way I found to compare and contrast these two topics. Habitat, where species live, everything that make up where they live. Niche, how they live. Conditions, food, and behavior depend on their survival. And what they are alike is keep the same species alive. Next topic will be food chain and food web. They are like the same, but not. Food chains and food webs model the flow of energy in an ecosystem. Arrows point in the direction that energy flows. A food chain is a model that shows a sequence of feeding relationships. A food chain follows the connection between one producer and a single chain of consumers within an ecosystem. A food web emphasizes complicated feeding relationships in energy flow in an ecosystem. Alright, so last topic will be community interactions. Here I will give the 3 major types of symbiotic factors and provide one example for each. So the first one will be mutualism. Both organisms benefit. Commensalism are organism benefits that the other is unharmed. Parasitism, our organism benefits, the other is harmed. So I will give some examples right now. Flower gets pollinated, bee gets nectar. This will be an example of mutualism. Whale is unaffected. Barnacles find food. Commensalism. The cat gets skin irritation. The tick feeds on cat's blood. It will be parasitism. Alright, thank you. This will be everything.